Alright guys, got working back here on the 89 Corvette. Thought I'd throw this video out here for some guys that like to do car shows, or they just got their hood up all the time, and you know, you don't want your if you don't want your hood lights on all the time. Instead of coming over here, you know, most people come over here down here and unplug the connector here, and a lot of times what they'll do is they'll end up leaving them connectors disconnected, and eventually after time those connectors in there, they start getting corrosion in there, and then when you do go back to hook those up, then your lights don't work because them connectors are corroded. So what you can do, guys, what I did on my 85 and my 89, you get into your wire loom. This wire loom coming right here, and you'll have two small orange wires in this wire loom. Find those two orange wires, guys, and them are for your hood, for your lights, for your hood. And all you got to do, guys, put your little switch in there. Just put your switch in between the two wires, and you can use that switch to turn your hood lights on. Or if you, like I said, if you're doing a car show or something like that, or if you're working on your engine compartment here, and instead of just going down here and disconnecting them, put your little flip switch in there. This way you can use that switch right there, and you don't have to mess with your connectors and worry about them getting corroded and stuff, guys. And once you do that, what I did here is tuck the wires back inside the loom, and then I just take a couple of tie straps, black tie straps, and put a tie strap here and a tie strap here. Close that back up real good, your wire loom. And this wire loom here sits on top of it like that. It's actually for the this is actually for your vacuum hoses here. This wire loom here on that. But yeah, you just get down in that main wire loom there, guys. You'll see find them two orange wires, and put you a flip switch in there. Works out real good. I used to do a lot of car shows and stuff, and with my 85, and I did a few shows with the 89 here, not a whole lot, but I thought I'd go ahead and throw that switch in there on the 89 that way, because when you're messing around underneath your hood and you don't want your battery going dead on you, and you don't feel like disconnecting those connectors there and forget and leave them disconnected, and then they'll corrode up on you, and then you'll have issues of getting your hood lights working again. So I thought I'd throw that quick video out there on now I'm not sure if you can do that on a 84 or not. I don't know. You'd have to get inside your wire loom there and see. And then on the 90s on up, I'm not sure on those either, too, guys. I do know it works from 85 to 89 because I do have an 85 Corvette as well. And it's got one. I put one of them switches in my 85, and then I went ahead and put one here in my 89 too. So I'm pretty sure it works on the 85 through 89. 90s on up, I'm not sure on that. You'd have to do some research on that. 84, I'm guessing the 84s will be the same too, but I don't know that for a fact because I never had an 84. So, but I do know they work. on 85 through 89. So just a good way to, you know, just a good way to hook up your hood lights there, guys. Put your little switch in there. Works out good. That way you're not running your battery dead and stuff if you're doing car shows and stuff like that. And that way you don't have to get down there and disconnect your connectors for your hood lights on each side. You have to do that on each side, which probably most of you already know that. So you don't got them hood lights running all the time. So that'll wrap this video up, guys, on the 89 Corvette. How to put you a switch for your hood lights.